Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of November. I'm James Spann. The weather pattern stays very quiet this week, although we have the chance of a few rain showers on Thursday. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Little compact upper trough, shortwave lifting out of the southwest United States. That feature will probably bring some clouds tomorrow. And then a surface front brings that chance of showers on Thursday. Another cold morning, but look at the numbers all over the board. This is why we often say this is not a one-number place. When it comes to forecasting early morning lows on a clear, calm morning, Gadsden below freezing at 28, Cullman at 42. Down south, Alexander City's got a freeze. They've got 32. Then Birmingham at 37, but everybody should go well up in the 60s today. Around the nation, no extremely cold air except for the northeast United States. They've got Arctic air there. On the watch warning map, again, things amazingly quiet. We note winter weather issues over parts of northern Washington state, and that's about it. And no severe weather problems today or tonight. In fact, hardly any thunder around the nation with a fairly stable air mass in place. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers back in the Pacific Northwest, and once again around here, not much. Today will be the 10th consecutive day without rain for most of Alabama, and you can see this is suggesting for the next 7 days, rain amounts will be generally under a quarter of an inch. For many, less than a tenth of an inch, and the bulk of that will be on Thursday. So let's see what's going on here. Model fans, let's dive in. We'll look at potential for a pattern change coming up in about 10 days as well. Now, this is today at noon off the GFS, the 06C run. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the shortwave coming out of the southwest. The main polar jet is way up north over Canada with a series of waves there. But the bottom line for us, a sunny day, very comfortable afternoon, highs upper 60s. Tomorrow we stay dry, but again, there could be an increase in clouds with that little upper feature. Again, I'd say the highs will be in the upper 60s, some spots maybe touching 70. A few showers to the west. And then Thursday, a surface front is around the Mississippi River. And a little bit of moisture increases ahead of that, and that will kick off maybe the possibility of a few rain showers. Like we've talked about, nothing too heavy, nothing too widespread. Rain amounts under a quarter of an inch for most. But the sky should be mostly cloudy, and the high would be in the 60s on Thursday. And this is Friday. The GFS wants to kind of stall that front over central Alabama. And if this were to verify, the southern half of the state might see a shower Friday. For the northern half, we think the day will be dry, and there's no cold air involved here. Highs stay in the 60s. And Saturday, again, the GFS curiously wants to keep the chance of rain going for parts of east and southeast Alabama, but the European on Saturday is dry as a bone, and we'll roll with that. We'll indicate a partly sunny sky on Saturday with highs in the 60s. And Sunday, back to the GFS, same thing. It's a 1030 high, but that's a Pacific air mass, not a polar air mass. So we should start the day around 40, highs in the 60s. Very nice day. So the weekend for now looks pretty good. Monday, same deal. Monday morning can be pretty cold with lows in the 30s, highs in the 60s, the sky sunny, and a week from today. Tuesday, December 5th, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. Now, we'll check the end of the forecast period. All of a sudden, the GFS goes a little rogue here as an outlier. Instead of a big trough developing a phase trough over the east, it's got this cutoff upper low near El Paso. And down below that, a surface low in the Gulf. And this is suggesting snow maybe for West Texas and a chance of rain here. But again, that's a bit of an outlier. This is the European model at the same time. This is Thursday of next week, December 7th, and it's got a very cold and dry air mass, and we're going to roll with that solution. We think we could see a fairly decent chance of rain toward the middle of next week, and then it turns sharply colder for the end of next week. And we'll keep going out here. This is the ensemble output of the European, the ensemble mean, valid Tuesday, December 12th, out there in mid-December. And you can see the mean is showing a very deep upper trough over the eastern U.S. and a pretty cold look for us. Check the numbers off the European ensemble. Highs stay in the 60s through about Tuesday of next week. And then they drop off with 50s by Wednesday the 6th and 40s by Thursday the 7th. And again, the latter half of December looks kind of cold and unsettled. And of course, you know, we kind of joked at this yesterday. I'll show it to you. This is the European ensemble, potential for accumulated snow. And understand the top graphic up there. You got 51 members of the ensemble. Each is run with a little different set of parameters and initialization. And about half the members are suggesting there could be some snow here between now and January 11th, but about half the members with nothing. The mean is down there at the bottom, and it's got 1.2 inches by January 11th, and it shows potential for a little bit, spitting out a little bit out there toward late December. Of course, who knows? This is nothing but absolute voodoo, but just a pattern suggesting maybe the latter half of December could be relatively cold and maybe unsettled. We'll see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.